Thank you so much for your kind words. They are really appreciated and needed in this world where it seems like people just prefer to be mean. And you're right, this does look like a condition, but since I'm not a dermatologist, I can't diagnose her. I recommend for anyone who has a scalp that looks like this to go see a dermatologist so that they can get the proper treatment that they need. And then someone like me, a natural hair specialist, can help you to carry out that treatment. I just help to maintain and grow natural hair. So in this case, I have went ahead and did the scalp analysis. I've sectioned her hair, and now I'm going in with some water and removing the buildup from her scalp so that her scalp can breathe and so that we can properly clean her hair. A lot of people have asked, why doesn't she do this herself? Ew, and all these other things that are just not really needed, you guys. People don't like to do things themselves sometimes. They like to pay for services or they need extra help, and that's why I'm here. So I am helping her to maintain and care for her natural hair because that's what I do. See how good her scalp looks now compared to what it did look like. I removed all of the buildup, which was causing, her pores to be just suffocated and trapped. So her scalp looks so good right now, and I'm adding in her protein treatment because she booked a wig install. So all of that you guys just seen was literally just before the install, and I take good care of my clients. So, I had to get her all the way together. And yes, I do recommend all of my clients who come in like this to go to a dermatologist. Now remember, a dermatologist is just going to prescribe you medicine. They are not going to do your hair. So I've seen a lot of comments saying like, oh, well, she shouldn't even be going to a hairstylist. Well, who's going to do her hair? Who's going to help her clean her scalp? Okay, somebody has to do it, and I am that person. I'm not going to just let you do it yourself. Like, you have to clean your scalp. There's no way that you can get your scalp this clean without removing the buildup. Now, that's not to say you should be scratching at it super hard or you should be making yourself bleed. Like, none of that happened in this process, you guys. We take our time, very gentle. a light serum to blow dry her hair, because you want to be careful about putting anything heavy, especially like oils, on the scalp if you're having buildup, because that can add to it. And here we are after the trim. Her hair looks like amazing, you guys. And look at her scalp. Like, I do this. I really do.